Channel art is the first thing anyone sees after coming to your YouTube homepage. Therefore, having a beautiful and on point channel art is very important to get subscribers. Also, since the lockdown, there are a lot of creators now on YouTube, and therefore the competition has increased. Therefore, you need to make an everlasting first impression. Within a few seconds of landing on your homepage, the person decides whether he wants to be a subscriber or he doesn't want to be. So watch the video till the end and learn how to make a professional looking channel art. Hello guys, what's up? Sanid this side, and this is my YouTube channel where I talk about digital marketing, personal branding and earning money online. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Also, you can follow me on various social media platforms, the links to which is in the description below. First of all, let's talk about the content which you have to include in your channel art. You need to include the channel's name or your name in the channel art, which is a must, so that the person who comes to your channel page knows where he exactly is. Also, if someone takes the screenshot of your homepage and posts that as a story, then everyone who sees their story would know what this particular screenshot is all about. Secondly, you need to mention the niche of your channel, like I have, digital marketing and personal branding. So whenever a person lands on your homepage, he would know exactly what kind of content he will get after subscribing to you. Thirdly, you need to mention the schedule. Yeah, the schedule. You need to mention when you're gonna post the video and at what time. For example, for me, it's kind of a very flexible schedule, so I have mentioned new video every week. But there are various channels out there who have given exactly at what time and what day they are gonna post the content. This helps the person know when to expect your content, as no one wants to subscribe to the channel which is dormant and doesn't post content. People also mention various other things like tagline, social media links and various other things. So if you have space, then go ahead and mention it, but I won't recommend doing so because it actually distracts other people from the actual message. Also, you can mention the social links over here, I would recommend, because these are clickable. Also, if someone clicks on these particular icons, then he would be redirected to your social media page. Now let me show you how to make one on Canva, step by step. But before that, you need to understand that the channel art looks different on different devices. If you make this, then it will appear the same as on TV, but would look like this on desktop, like this on tablet, and like this on mobiles. So different devices have different dimensions. Now a tip which I would like to give you over here is that you need to understand where your maximum traffic is coming from. So for me, the maximum traffic is coming from mobile. Therefore, I have to make sure that all the content which I want everyone to read should be present in the safe space where it is clearly visible for the mobile devices, which is the middlemost part. But if your most of the audience is coming from the desktop, then you need to make sure that the dimension of the desktop has all the content which is over there. But I would still recommend you going ahead and using the middlemost part which is there for the mobile, because it would appear automatically on all the devices. Now let's go to my screen. Well, this is the page where everything about the detailing or the dimensions are mentioned by the official Google support. So this is what I was talking about. So for TV display it will look like this, then it will get trimmed for the computer screen, and then for mobile devices it will get trimmed further. So this is the particular image which everyone uses, and I'll explain you how to use this one, and this image is there in the description, so you can download it from there. I'll just save this one. Now we'll go to Canva. So you can go through here, just you have to type the YouTube channel art, then there would be a lot of templates which are out there. Also, you can create a blank one. What we would be doing is we would be creating a blank one so that you understand what is going on. Obviously, this is not a tutorial of Canva, so I won't be discussing it in way detail, but I would be helping you understand how to use this particular image over here. Okay, now we have this image over here, and we have covered the whole space with this particular image. That's it. Now what we'll do is, now we will try to cover everything in this particular area, because this is the area which would be visible on the mobile as well. So this is the safest area, and we will try to mention each and everything over here. So I'll just go ahead and do it. I'll put the text, add a heading. Heading has to be somewhere 120. Okay, so I'll just say I put marketing channel over here. I think it's a bit bigger, so I'll just do 100. Yeah, it's fine for me. I'll do this over here. So now you need to do one thing, which is you need to make this a bit transparent. Why? Because you need to also understand that how your channel art would look like, and making it transparent would still give you the boundaries which are over here, but also help you understand how your channel art will actually look like. Well, this is all. Also, I'll add some elements, which is like I'll add one more subheading, okay, which will be, I'll increase the size to 50, and I'll add a subheading which is digital marketing plus personal branding. That's it. This is how it will look like. I'll make this come in between. So in between. So this is how it looks. I'll just need to group them first, and then I'll put the position, and then I'll put the position in middle. Yeah. So this is how it will look. Now I can include the texture. For example, I'll go over here and put a background. It's a nice looking background. This will be good. No, this doesn't look good. This one as well doesn't look good. Yeah, this one looks better. So this is how you will make a channel art. So if you find anything which was valuable to you, then do give me a thumbs up, because it motivates me. Trust me, it was very helpful for me to get my first 100 subscribers organically. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any doubts regarding this particular video. Until next time, bye bye.